Want to block adult content on Google Chrome for a safer browsing experience? Here's how to set it up using built-in browser settings. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu, then select Settings from the list. Once you're on the Settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Security. This will open up a new set of options related to safe browsing. Now scroll down the page until you see the Use Secure DNS section. Make sure the toggle is turned on, then select Choose Another Provider. From the drop-down, choose Clean Browsing, Family Filter. This filter is designed specifically to block adult content, explicit sites, and other unsafe material, making it ideal for families or younger users. Once you select it, Chrome will automatically apply the settings. That's it. You've now enabled content filtering directly through Chrome's DNS settings. If this guide helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and take care.